You said never let me go. 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 You said
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Chasing Adventures. Today we are actually currently on our way to go camping. As you can see, we have a bunch of stuff in the back of the car. But before we go check into our campsite, we're actually here at the Delaware Water Gap Recreational Area in Pennsylvania, and we came to the Dingman's Ferry Creek Trail to go walk and see some waterfalls and everything, see some cool scenery. If you're wondering where the location is, I can put it in the description down below so you can see the exact area if you're ever wanting to come visit here. But yeah, come along with us, see some cool scenery, and have fun.
Get out of my face.
So, guys, we are currently on the Dingman's Creek Trail. We passed our first waterfall, which I took a clip of for you guys to see. We're currently walking the trail again just to see another waterfall. I think there might be one or two more. One might be dried up currently, but we'll see. Stay tuned. So pretty. You guys can't see it, but there was a fish down in the water right there. Before I started recording, came up to the water and ate a bug. Kind of wish I was recording at the time, but pretty cool. I know he
Have a
blends
good
in
day.
really well, guys, but there's a fish right there. I'm not sure if it's a trout or a pike. It could be one or the other. I can't get close enough to really see. But it's pretty cool. He's just laying right there. Blends right in with the rock. The only reason anybody's seen him is because he came up to the top of the water at first. Pretty cool. Anyway, says I gave you the whole speech privately.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna do this gently because everybody gave me bad juju and said not to lose the ring when I did.
Yeah, please don't lose the ring.
You happy?
Yeah. Can we go get water now? Because I don't want to do this anymore.
Yeah.
Okay.
She said yes, guys.
I'm so thirsty.
Show 'em the ring.
Alright, guys. So, she said yes. I asked my best friend and love of my life to marry me. So we are engaged. And I did it with a beautiful view. But she is a little cranky now because she's thirsty and it's hot. And I didn't tell her it was a little bit of a further walk than she had thought it was. So we're going to go get some water and celebrate. So join us later. We're engaged, guys. Look at that thing. And by that thing, I mean that thing. Look at that thing. Hey guys, so future me here. I realized as I was editing this video for our engagement, I never gave you guys a proper outro. We were just so excited about getting engaged. Everything that weekend kind of was a blur. We just had a good time with our friends, enjoying it and celebrating this new journey in our lives. So I want to give you guys a proper outro. So thank you guys for supporting and watching. Please click the like button and subscribe if you already haven't. I look forward to doing more and more videos with you guys in the future. I'm sorry that it's been slow moving. I am working full-time and doing this. Was also getting engaged. I'm also just getting over being sick. But there's more videos to come, a lot more plans in the future. SUV camping is still going to be a thing, as well as videos with my dog Chase. So definitely stay tuned. Again, I appreciate each and every one of you who are already supporting. Have a good night, guys. See you on the next one. Bye.